Hello, new Swole Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a Beyblade X Hasbro review of Dranzer Spiral or Dranzer S 380 Taper. So yeah, 25th anniversary, 1999 to 2024, in red. I do have the European version coming in, so yeah. The green one will be coming in soon, so yeah. This guy just came in. Then I got a extra spiral Phoenix 2 in today, so I can do competitive with it. So yeah, let's get. Whoa, shit. Doing that with the proto launcher. Absolutely horrible launcher. A fake launcher will be better than this. Yeah. Okay, keeping this in decent shape. Okay. Not trying to break this. Okay. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Shit, I forgot. I need to put on the stickers. Yay. There's the rip cord. The white. Oops. Horrible. Burn it with fire. Okay. There's basically the stickers. I know how to put the stickers on because I've done this plenty of times already. Boom. Let's go. There's the parts. I will be putting the stickers on in here on video. I can't find my tweezers right now. So yeah, no tweezers. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I can't find it. So I will definitely put stickers on. Okay, yeah. Actually, let me show you what it looks like without stickers. There we go, the red. There's the QR code. Stickers, Dranzer S. God damn, my shoulder's killing me right now. Because I was trying to pull up at work today. I was cleaning drains at work in the store. Actually in the bakery. I mean, not bakery, deli. And I hit my shoulder. Definitely think it's gonna be a bruise. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be a bruise right on my tattoo. Yeah, 380. It's solid red. I like this one a lot. And taper. Let's get this. Okay, so there's Dranzer S. Definitely a really cool bay. Good for collection purposes. Where is it? Here's the original. Now I'm just missing one more to complete. the Japanese, English, and UK European releases now. So yeah, let's do a test launch and test battle. Okay, let's do a test launch. Look at him go. Let's get the weakest link for this. There we go. Let's look at 4-1-0. There's your winner, but yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.